Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports in-flight roaming and that you have the right plan. This matters because billing differs by operator. Once done, switch to airplane mode and immediately enable Wi-Fi only so your phone won't hunt for cell towers. Then connect to the aircraft's Wi-Fi SSID and open the airline portal or the provider app. This is where authentication and payment happen, and it's the first actionable step to get an IP address and session started. Now you authenticate and pick a plan. Tap the in-flight provider on the portal and compare session length, data allowance, and price because different packages change speed and cost. Next, log in with your carrier roaming credentials or enter credit card details. Keep the confirmation visible to resolve any billing issues. Once purchased, start a short session to verify connectivity, test a message or email sync so you can confirm throughput and avoid wasting a longer, more expensive block. As you use in-flight roaming, monitor data and session time because aircraft links are metered and often slow. Close background apps and syncs to preserve bandwidth. If disconnected, re-authenticate through the portal, clear the browser cache, or reconnect to the same SSID. These quick fixes restore the session most of the time. If problems persist, toggle Wi-Fi and relaunch the portal, and if you're billed incorrectly, capture screenshots and contact the provider or airline for a refund or credit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.